The next big surge is about to happen in the crypto market. How do I know this? Well, the money is telling us so. Follow what the dollar is doing. And right now, we're actually seeing this huge breakdown when it comes to USDT. And I want to show you guys what I mean. Now, first of all, when it comes to ADA, guys, know that ADA has been just fine. All right. Some people have complained that ADA hasn't really done a whole lot here lately. It's just kind of trading sideways. I know I talked about this earlier, but guys, we're testing support. We're testing how much strength do we have in this range before our next leg. And frankly, guys, when I'm looking at this ADA BTC chart, how we're doing versus Bitcoin, I know some people have commented about this. We're setting higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We have this strength actually forming in the ADA BTC chart. And right now that we're sitting basically on top of this trend here, it wouldn't surprise me if ADA over the next few days starts to kind of turn around. You can see it already starting to happen in the charts, but this next pop may happen kind of somewhere in this range here as we start to get close to the very, very end of July, start of August. Okay. As always, again, this is not financial advice, but we know that BTC is showing strength in its charts. Is trying to actually break out of the top of this trend here. This is a very important moment, guys. It wouldn't surprise me if maybe we come back down, do a retest somewhere here in the 65K range, but perfect Wyckoff accumulation model. Everything's playing out perfect, guys. It's playing out exactly how it needs to. And there's going to be this moment where alts, frankly, go on a massive breakout. And ADA's next surge could be towards this 200-day moving average on the ADA BTC chart. But the important thing I'm watching, again, is the money. What is money doing? And we're actually seeing this huge drop off in terms of USDT dominance. We've talked about this before, and frankly, it is falling out of this broadening wedge that it's been in right now. And the target for this downside is actually all the way down at close to 3% dominance. We currently sit at about 4.75%. So what this means is the amount of capital that's sitting on the sidelines is massive right now. It makes up 4.75% of the crypto market. And what you're going to see is a lot of this capital begin to flow into other assets, inflating the market caps of other assets, ADA included, because ADA tends to do well when capital is flowing, when there's excitement. And that's what we're approaching in this market. The capital that's sitting on the sidelines right now in the market is going to start hitting assets. But what we're also still seeing is some of this huge flow from outside the space, tons of capital, fresh capital hitting exchanges that hasn't entered the market yet. So we're making up ground on the total market cap of crypto side. We're making up ground on the inflow side. And right now USDT dominance is starting to fall off a little bit. So what this means is we're ready for this next big surge. Remember, looking at this chart in the past, guys, when this has dropped off, it's led to some of these biggest surges in prices. Look at what the start of October looked like, right? We had this huge drop off in USDT dominance because capital was moving around. It was hitting the market. Assets were doing good. ADA was doing incredibly well, right? We know about the almost 4x move to begin this market cycle. So this is, it's all coming together. Everything is happening at just the right time. The charts are actually looking quite perfect, guys. As always, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee, but know that the good times are here. Very soon, we're going to be talking a very different story than what we have over the last few months. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.